Bitcoin floats above $25,000, Ether stays below $1,700. Binance to quit Netherlands after failing to acquire license. Sotheby's second 3AC NFT sale nets $10.9 million, with the Goose alone netting $6.2 million. Sturdy stablecoin market reopens 3 days after $800,000 exploit. Mercedes-Benz is adding ChatGPT to cars for AI voice commands. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets rebounded after BlackRock iShares unit filed paperwork with the US Securities and Exchange Commission for the formation of a spot Bitcoin ETF. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index, the barometer of 15 top tokens, was trading 1.3% higher at 36,191. Interestingly, BTC shorts are believed to have lost $16 million after the BlackRock ETF filing sparked a move in the price. The ETF news triggered liquidation, albeit the capital involved was lesser than usual. Total crypto market capitalization rose 2.11% to $1.04 trillion. DogeCoin led gains among major tokens, followed by Litecoin. Matic, the native token on Polygon, lost 4%. Polygon Labs, the Ethereum scaling platform, announced on Thursday the release of an open database that displays good use cases of blockchain on any application from across the world. Colombia's central bank, Banco de la República, has collaborated with blockchain startup Ripple to investigate the usage of blockchain technology. Ripple stated its CBDC platform will be experimented and tested in a controlled environment without compromising public resources. US stock futures were trading marginally lower. Futures linked to the S&P 500 ticked lower by 0.07%, while Nasdaq 100 futures inched down by 0.06%. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average were almost unchanged. Bitcoin was recently seen changing hands at $25,584 levels, up 2.5%. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, was trading 1.95% higher at $1,671. Cardano's ADA token was up by 2.67% to trade at $0.26. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $11.44, up 2.23%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.48, up by 1.29%. BNB was up by 1.18% to trade at $239.9. Shiba Inu was trading up by 2.73%. Solana SOL was down 0.13% and was trading at $14.88. Polygon Matic was trading down by 4.07% to trade at $0.59. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 2.52% at $0.06.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, is leaving the Netherlands after failing to persuade the Dutch regulator to issue a virtual asset service provider license which attests that it meets anti-money laundering guidelines. As of July 17, Dutch residents will only be able to withdraw their funds from the platform, according to a statement from the exchange. Binance said it has been in a comprehensive registration application process as a virtual asset service provider with the regulator. The exchange said it will continue to engage with Dutch regulators. On Thursday, Sotheby's concluded another sale of non-fungible token artwork seized from bankrupt crypto hedge fund 3 Arrows Capital, bringing in over $10.9 million in sales. The live auction took place in New York and included pieces from the Grails collection. In total, there were 37 works from generative artists like Dmitry Cherniak, Tyler Hobbs, Jeff Davis, and more. Highlights from this lot included Dmitry Cherniak's Ringers 879, often referred to as the Goose for its resemblance to the bird, estimated to sell for $2 to $3 million. After back and forth bidding, it ended up selling for $6.2 million to notable NFT investor 6529. In a tweet following the sale, Sotheby's reported it was the second highest sale of all time for a work of generative art. After recently suffering a recent exploit on its platform, decentralized finance protocol Sturdy Finance has reopened its stablecoin market. On June 16, the lending platform announced that it had unpaused the stablecoin market, allowing users to access their funds. The DeFi protocol told its users that no funds were at risk and the decision to pause the market was simply done out of an abundance of caution. On June 12, the platform paused all markets in response to an attack that led to the loss of 442 Ether, around $800,000 at the time. The exploit took advantage of a faulty price oracle and used it to drain funds from the platform. The DeFi protocol also offered a $100,000 bounty to the hacker who performed the exploit. According to the team, it will let the matter go if the attacker returns the rest of the funds to its crypto wallet. However, the team also mentioned in the community update that if the funds are not returned, it is offering the money to anyone who can help bring and arrest or recover the funds. German automaker Mercedes-Benz announced Thursday that it will add OpenAI's ChatGPT chatbot to its cars via a beta program for the Mercedes-Benz user experience feature in its vehicles, enabling AI-driven voice commands and additional functionality. The beta will begin on Friday, June 16 and run for 3 months. Drivers looking to join the beta simply need to ask their car about it to get started. The initiative will be limited to the United States market. Mercedes-Benz said that the popular chatbot is coming to its cars via the Microsoft Azure OpenAI service launched by the tech giant in March. While the addition of ChatGPT is new, the MBUX voice assistant and its Hey Mercedes feature launched in 2018 on the Mercedes-Benz A-Class. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing stocks of the day.
Arbitrum, a prominent blockchain platform, has demonstrated encouraging results since its March 2023 airdrop. According to Nansen, a blockchain analytics company, every activity measured on Arbitrum has increased since the airdrop. According to the research, the daily count of transactions and users has been consistently higher above the chain's historical averages since the airdrop. Furthermore, the value of the USD transactions, transfers, and trades has followed a similar trajectory. Despite an early rise in the new wallets following the airdrop, the number of new wallets making the first Arbitrum transaction has gradually fallen over the last 2 months. However, petrol spending on Arbitrum has been steadily increasing, continuously remaining greater than pre-airdrop levels. According to Nansen's study, Layer 1 accounted for around 71% of the total 17,000 Ethereum used for transaction fees on Arbitrum in the previous 6 months. This suggests that Arbitrum continues to take a sizable share of the Ethereum's bridge volume. At the same time, smaller companies like Starkware, ZK Sync, Pulse Chain, and Across increased their market share from March to May. The report also emphasizes the number of wallets initiating their first ever transactions on Arbitrum, which serves as a proxy for the rate at which new users join the ecosystem. Following the airdrop, the number of new users has continually maintained higher, surpassing optimism and reaching Ethereum. ARB was trading at $0.9, up 2.44% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $1 billion. Polygon Labs, the Ethereum scaling platform, announced on Thursday the release of an open database that displays good use cases of blockchain on any application from across the world. The database, dubbed the Value Prop, houses up to 39 use cases and over 300 applications, with more on the way. The project was conceived by Polygon Labs as a Wikipedia for use cases. The demand for use cases has grown among regulators as they wrestle with the problem of crafting laws that not only promotes innovation but also protects citizens. Regulators have requested that the industry decouple blockchain and its use case from crypto, but RITIC stated that when there is a fundamental value, you don't have to decouple yourself, citing the UNICEF Crypto Fund, which shares donations with those in need through the crypto, allowing the funds to be publicly tracked. Education, security and risk management, social impact and sustainability, finance, business and marketing, governance, and information technology are the 7 verticals that the use cases are divided into. The platform will also include testimonial pages with written and video remarks from users on how blockchain has positively influenced their lives. Polygon was trading at $0.5, down 4.46% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $5 billion. Look On Chain, a famous crypto intelligence project, has reported a mind-boggling development in which address 0x1497 allegedly auctioned off a mind-boggling $972 billion Pepe coins for 514 ETH, equivalent to a significant $848,000. Look On Chain has raised concerns about the involvement of a potential insider from the Pepe coin inside in the deal. This argument is supported by evidence from an earlier incident in April prior to the framed meme coin fiasco. During that movement, the same address got 0.58 ETH via fixed float crypto exchange and used 0.027 ETH, approximately $58, to purchase an astounding 2.27 trillion Pepe coins within 10 minutes of the coin's debut trading period. Pepe was trading at 7.39% up in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $356 million.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates in market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.